Hi guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. Your comments and interaction means the world to me. Some of you watching the channel might be aware of the recent buy I did, the Aprilia RS50, a classic two-stroke, favorite amongst many. Now, the original owner gave me an offer I couldn't refuse, and I'm delighted to have had it set back up again working properly with the help of Dr. Piaggio. Please watch his channel, he's always up to something. Just to give you some background info about current setup, we only changed the exhaust because it looked so damn ugly, but everything is still original since 2001 from factory. So after driving it a bit, it seems nobody actually took care of the carburetor since 2001. So that's 20 years. Let's just start with that. My mechanical advisor Dr. Piaggio suggests me to improve the intake and the carburetor side first before switching to a bigger cylinder setup with crankshaft and all, you know. So he suggests to use the V-force valves and just to use one of his cheap-ass carburetors, 21mm, just to see how the 50cc engine responds and to get an overall idea. The main jet seems too small. Now, looking at the original settings of the 21mm carburetor we're using right now, the original setting main jet should be 110 instead of 90 or 95 we're at right now. Just to please your minds, we're currently already looking at high-end cylinders and even bigger carburetors, so much more in store. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and make sure you hit the bell to be notified on upcoming videos. Thank you!